Hello, welcome to E-Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. In a follow-up to our story on Masicka, E-Prime can now confirm that the artist is officially with Def Jam Records. In a release today, the chairman and the CEO of Def Jam Recording says, representing the new wave of Jamaican dancehall and reggae, Masicka's versatility and unique sonic perspective has the potential to impact markets all over the world. The news coincides with the release of the visuals to his first single from the label Pieces, which features Jashi. Masicka recently received a YouTube award for attracting over 1 million subscribers to his channel. Meanwhile, his most recent independent album, 438, became Jamaica's #1 album of 2022 on Spotify and the first project to spend an entire year in the top 10 on Apple Music Jamaica. Good album. Now, there's no rapping for Mariah Carey. The singer over the weekend released her EP, It's a Rap. The 4-track EP includes the original song, a sped-up version, a radio edit, and a remix with Mary J. Blige, which appeared on the 2014 album I Am Mariah, The Elusive Chartreuse. The song was shot into popularity, seeing a huge surge in streams after going viral on TikTok and sparked a challenge. On January 26, the song earned 1.65 million US on-demand streams, according to Luminate, compared to its opening week at 17,000 streams. It's a Rap, a deep cut from her 2009 EP, Memoirs of an Imperfect Angel. Now, Pharrell Williams goes to Louis Vuitton. The American artist and producer on Tuesday was named as creative director, according to a statement issued by the French luxury fashion house. Williams will succeed Virgil Abloh immediately as Louis Vuitton's men's creative director and is set to debut his first collection this June during Men's Fashion Week in Paris. Williams is a 13-time Grammy winner. However, this is not his first venture into fashion, as he is co-founder of streetwear label Billionaire Boys Club, with stints with other luxury brands from Adidas to Tiffany & Company. Now, it's all about the Grammy effect. Samara Joy is here to linger a while as her album soars to the top of multiple Billboard charts following her Grammy win for Best New Artist over the past weekend. Samara's 2022 album Linger a While moved to #1 on 3 charts: Top Jazz Album, Traditional Jazz Album, and Heat Seekers Album. The 23-year-old jazz-infused singer took home the award from a diverse list, which included Omar Apollo, Lotto, as well as Money Long and Wetlag.
Guess who I saw today, my dear? I went in town to shop around for something new.
And the effect continues. Now, Rihanna. Her makeup brand Fenty saw US $5.6 million in media impact value within the first 12 hours after her Super Bowl performance on Sunday. The singer blotted her face using her Fenty Beauty's